Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Epic Games Launcher setup wizard ended prematurely. So, let's dive right in. First, right click on your taskbar and go to Task Manager. From here, you just need to search for Epic Game Launcher and right click on it and then click on End Task. Then you need to close all the tasks that are related with Epic Games Launcher. You may find some applications that are related to Epic Games are still running in detail section. You can also do the same method, right click on it and click on End Task. For me, there is no app that related to Epic Games are running in background. So head to the next step. The next step is go to your file manager, then go to C drive, and from here you need to go to program file x86. Click on it and from here find out the Epic game file. Here it is. Now right click on it and delete this file. Here you will find the delete button. Click on it and it will take some time to delete. As you can see, I have deleted this file and now go one step back, then go to program files, and from here if you have any Epic Games related file available in program files, then simply right click on it and delete the file. Then after this step, we need to go to our browser and from here search for Epic Games. Simply search for Epic Games. Now go to Epic Games website and from here you just need to re-download the Epic Games setup wizard. For this you just need to click on this download button at the top right corner, and as you can see the download has been started and it will take some time. After completing the download, you just need to simply click on this file here. Just click on it and the setup wizard start running on your system. Now install the Epic Games launcher in your system, and here you just need to give the permission, and you can see it is now installing. It will take a short loading. As you can see, it has removing the older file that have corrupted or may corrupted or have some problems. As you can see, they are copying the new files in your system. They are updating the new files in your system, and also they are installing DirectX in your system. Now after completely loading, you will find the update button. If there is any update available, then you just need to click on update and the Epic Games will start an update. After update the Epic Games, you can see it's now properly running in my system, and you just need to click on OK to accept the terms and give the permissions that they want, and you can see it's running properly in my device now. That's how you can fix the Epic Games setup wizard ended prematurely. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.